Hello guys, this is a Converse shoes design we like look even colors with light installations. Let's go started. The wanted to stand out is a material that will never go ahead, and since the shock Tyler's footwear has become the symbol or for weight of any generation, this light generated Converse shoes design will surely satisfy this shaking way to communication individualization. The teenagers and young adults can now outfit their shoes with a growing logo from is a food industry. The grow up in the drag logo turn irregular converts is chalks into rap ready dancing shoes. The installations DI glue shoes can be integrated in any other shoes, so people should follow the fee to outfit their other shoes as well. The simple concept will help make any one of shoes a standard out. This is the perfect way to different you shoes from every other pair of choke Tyler's Converse. Trend themes. The groove in the dark is a customizations. Opportunity for shoes and fashion brand to sell is a customization kits for go in the dark logo or design. DI fashions. This is an opportunity for fashions and draft retailers to offer DI customizations, materials, and tutorial for shoes and others apparel. Rap fashions opportunity for fashion brand to create clothing and accessories specifically designed for rap and dance party environment. Shoes is a manufacturing. Shoes company can incorporate green design or logos into their products, offering the customizer a unique customizations options. GI draft supply. The draft companies can create and sell kits for DI crew in the dark shoes customizations. The fashions the retails. Fashion retailers can make the light up shoe trend and sell lab and party wears that incorporate similar green design or logo. Thank you for watching. Wait for more video.